Mark Jones from Leader Chuck International has joined us. We're at EMO and we're reviewing this chuck solution here. What is it?
Okay, it's a chuck that's been developed from our partners in Italy, OMAP. They've been manufacturing it a long time. It is for the crankshaft grinding operation.
So let's reiterate that specifically for the crankshaft grinding industry.
Yes, uniquely. That is what it's designed to do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it does.
It was actually designed with the help of a company called Burco, is that correct?
Yeah, my understanding is that some decades ago now, in collaboration with those guys, they worked together on designing a gripping profile on the jaws that most suited the crankshaft grinders.
Yeah, because obviously it's very specialised.
And need to be very accurate. These are typically long, but they need, being ground, they need to retain their accuracy and repeatability.
Yep.
Hence this top reversible jaw tooth form was arrived at as the solution.
Okay.
And it has been for a good while and hasn't been surpassed. So I'm hoping that the crankshaft grinding community of the UK may think, well, that could be interesting. Yeah, let's come and talk to Leader about what this can do for us.
Okay, so this profile of these jaws is giving that extra clamping force.
Yes.
Also, with the actual manufacture of this, hardened steel?
Yes, it's a hardened steel premium product.
Okay.
2-year warranty.
Right.
Obviously, it goes into conditions with grinding conditions, so it's the environment isn't friendly, but we're happy to give a 2-year warranty on all the parts.
No problem at all. And also with exclusive with OMAP is a double tenon as well.
Yeah, that runs through their range. Yeah. We've talked before about the abilities of the characteristics of a double tenon.
Yep. This
really is the way to go if the environment that you're machining in is in any way tough.
Yeah, okay. So this is going to give you extra clamping force along with the profile of the jaws.
Along with the profile of the jaws, specifically for the crankshaft grinding community, yes.
Okay, and these guys have got this in stock, so that's key at the moment.
Absolutely. They're available in stock. Very great value for money.
Yep.
We would welcome some inquiries.
Okay, absolutely. So any questions about crankshaft grindings, work holding solutions, get in contact with Mark Jones, Leader Chuck International.